Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 3 device by using the GT mode on the day 1. Yes friends, this is my day 1 of using the Realme GT Neo 3 and I'm getting so many comments asking me to do the CPU throttling test on this device using with the GT mode. The main reason is because without using any kind of GT mode, the performance scores were pretty high, as you can see, without any kind of GT mode. On the day 1, as you can see friends, clearly CPU total up to 89%. These are the graphics, and now I'm going to use the GT mode and do the same benchmark test, and let's find out is there any kind of difference or not while doing the CPU throttling test. Same settings, 100 threads, 15 minutes, same settings and same test I'm going to perform, and I will be back after 5 minutes of time just to check the temperatures and overall scores, what's going on with the performance levels in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. Exactly, I will be back after some time. Right now scores are reaching pretty high as well even this time, but I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures in this Realme GT Neo 3. And my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius is my room temperature. Let's see what will be the overall phone temperature again after some time, maybe around close to 5 minutes of time, somewhere around that. Phone temperature is about 44.6, same room and phone temperature exact kind of very close in the beginning. I'll be back after 5 minutes, then we'll try to compare exactly what's going on. Right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to exactly kind of 9 and 10 minutes of time, and right now the performance scores was about 3,37,000, somewhere around that. And during the temperatures, the phone did reach up to 40.6 degrees Celsius during this processor demonstration. Let's see friends, how will be the graph will be there using the GT mode. So without GT mode, it was kind of okay, but with GT mode, I can see the throttling is happening slightly kind of more than usual. But let's see what will be the final scores. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of time. Around 15 minutes, we'll try to observe exactly the throttling effect in this Realme GT Neo 3. So how is the overall throttling going on in this device? So I will be back after around close to 13 minutes of time, 13 and 12 minutes or maybe 14 minutes. Then we can discuss more details. But right now during this time of testing, temperatures did increase up to 40.8 degrees Celsius is the highest. My room temperature 34.2, phone temperature 40.8. I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, time is about close to 13 minutes of time and the temperature did increase up to 41.2, slightly it got increased. So before it is 40.8, but right now 41.2, 41.4, somewhere around that kind of temperature we are trying to see in this Realme GT Neo 3 device, regarding the temperatures wise overall. So I'm going to be back at the end of the test results. Right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to exactly 15 minutes of time as well. And this is what the performance numbers are exactly after 15 minutes of time, and the final temperatures are about 41 degrees Celsius in this device, 41.2 the final temperatures. So friends, after the CPU throttling test, the CPU throttled up to 80%. So without GT mode it throttled only 89%, but with GT mode if you try to use 80% of the CPU has been throttled. As you can see friends, clearly the difference. So with GT mode and without GT mode, that's the reason I thought of explain you clearly what's going on. And with GT mode, the performance minimum also decreased to 290, and before it is 332 the minimum, and the average is 364 and the highest is 397. So without GT mode only the performance numbers are pretty high, but if you try to use the GT mode, these are the performance numbers. So but overall the graph looks pretty good. Anything close to 80-85%, that's really excellent, I would say, regarding the throttling, not bad. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll straight of more updates on this device, and meanwhile signing off until then, bye.